What's up, everybody? This your boy King Hussle. And yes, it's the best money channel on YouTube. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell. So whenever I drop new sauce, new lessons, new methods, and giveaways, you'll be the first one to be notified. You'll be the first one to know what's going on, and hey, you might be the first one to win something for free. Yes, free. So make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell on all the YouTube channels. I'm talking this one right here, King Hussle. King Hussle X1L, no rags, just riches. King Hussle Crazy Reactions, the Hussle Family, Turn Motivation into Means, Dog Pound Exotic Pups, Goosebumps Horror Stories, Sleeping with the Rain, King Hussle 2.0, Milwaukee Made, King Hussle, and King Hussle Live. Also, make sure you follow me on all my social media platforms. All you gotta do is click the title on every video. Once you click the title on every video, at the bottom of the description, all my social media links will pop up. All right, got a lot of fake King Hussle pages out there, so please get a FaceTime verification call or a video and make sure you see this face. Make sure you are doing legit business and you are getting what you paid for, all right? And before we get anything started, this is all educational purposes only, not telling anybody to do anything, so let's get this thing started. What to do, my real King Hussle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, my real Hussle Nation Empire family members, and we are back at it again with the gems. We back at it again with the sauce. We back at it again with the information that's going to turn you to a boss. All right, so you're tired of being a zero? You ready to be your family hero? Listen up, get your pen, get your notepad, take a seat, and let's get to these gems, all right? So, because I got some information that's going to help you win, all right? Got another credit union out here that's helping people get the bag. Yes, I got another credit union for y'all that can get you up to $50,000 with bag credit, all right? Yes, $50,000 bag credit instant approval loan, all right? Personal loan. It's relationship based though. So the if you got bad credit and you trying to get this loan, your best bet is to have an account with them and build your relationship, because they'll help you. It'll help you with getting more funds from them for this personal loan. All right. So without further ado, let's get into Christian Community Credit Union and how they gonna give you this $50,000 personal loan with bad credit and instant approval. Right. So a lot of people out there need money. A lot of people out there trying to get rich. You trying to get some money? You trying to get $50,000? You tired of being a broke because it ain't no joke? This is what you need to do, and this is what you need to understand. When it comes to any type of credit profile, original or CPN, everything is based around credit. Loans, credit cards, and lines of credit is based off your credit profile. Your credit profile is to show how good you are with managing money. That's what your credit score shows. How good you are with managing money. That's why all your bills are reported to your credit report. And if you don't make a payment, it brings your credit score down. And if you do make payments, it brings your credit score up. Everything revolves around money, and this is what a lot of people don't understand. And this is what a lot of people isn't registering in their head. A lot of people feel that getting loans, credit cards, and lines of credit is one of the hardest things to do out there, and it's really not. It's not hard at all to get a loan, a credit card, a line of credit. When you get a loan, a credit card, or line of credit, they ask for 3 pieces of the document, depending on which type of loan you're getting. Pay stubs, bank statements, depending on which bank, where you're getting this loan from, and W-2 forms, depending on which type of loan you're getting, or asking to get, or qualify for. The average American has a job. So if the average American has a job, they have a bank account, and if they have a job, they get taxes, they get W-2s, and they file taxes. So they have all the documents that they need to get a loan. Well, sad to say, it's a lot of people out here in the world that doesn't have a job, so they don't file taxes. There's a lot of people out here that don't even have bank accounts, so they don't got bank statements. So there's a lot of people out here that don't have the documents, are not in the position to be able to get a loan, credit card, line of credit. And at the end of the day, your life is based on your actions. So if you was to go wake up in the morning and go get you a bank account, checking and savings with a bank, credit union, or smaller bank, that's because of the actions. That's what you decided to do. Now you got a bank account. You start depositing money into that bank account. Now you build a relationship with that bank, because that's what you decided to do. If you decide to go spend $100 on a trade line to add to your credit tomorrow, that's what you decided to do. If you decide to get you an LLC and an EIN number and get a business bank account tomorrow, that's what you decided to do. And everything that I just said is under $250. And a lot of people, y'all get money. It's crazy how people can figure out and find ways to get the things that they want, that they don't need, but they can't figure out how to get money for things that they need, that they don't want. See, people gonna do what they want, point blank, period. So is it if it isn't appealing or appeasing them, they're not gonna entertain it. They're not gonna indulge in it. They're not gonna want to do it, which is sad to say. A lot of people in the world are followers. So if a lot of people in the world start saying that they're getting $50,000 personal loans by adding this trade line, that trade line, and they go into this bank, everybody in the world is gonna want to do it then. And it's sad to say that people are doing this on a daily basis. So you got to get your credit profile together. You got to get the debt. Poor people or people who are at the lower level are afraid of debt. They don't understand credit. They don't understand debt. They don't understand how debt is actually what's getting the rich rich and why the poor is staying poor, because they don't understand that. People feel, it's a lot of people out there that feel that having zero debt is good and is what you need on your credit report. A lot of people had these fake credit gurus mailing in credit letters and disputing all these accounts, messing up people's credit. Now they got big accounts off their credit, and now the age went down. Now they got to start rebuilding their credit. It's going to take a long time to get that age and that payment history back. A lot of people had people doing that. When it doesn't work like that. Because at the end of the day, credit is a finesse. And I'm telling you guys this information because a lot of people need to know this. Because knowing this information will help you in the long run. Knowing this information will help you get that loan, credit card, or line of credit. Knowing this information will know what documents you need. Knowing this information will know what banks to go to. Knowing this information will help you build your credit. Knowing this information will help you do methods. Knowing this information will help you start making thousands of dollars on a daily basis and all profit. So a lot of people out there that don't is not willing to learn anything. So we're gonna get back to it. You gotta get the debt. You gotta get a high debt on your credit profile. That's just what it is. Debt will get you rich. The more debt that you have on your credit profile, the leaving them accounts on your credit profile will give you the age, and start making payments on these trade lines will give you the payment history. Because you got 3 FICOs: TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Every collection or every debt that you have does not report to each FICO. Your auto loan might report to Experian. Your student loans might report to TransUnion, and then all your other miscellaneous accounts might report to TransUnion, whichever one I didn't say. But it's all added up and calculated into one number, and that's your debt, your overall debt. So once you add trade lines, that's going to be generating to your overall debt. And now that you're making payments on this trade lines, it's going to be good debt now. And that's what they want to see. How good you are with managing money. And if you can show that you can manage a high amount of money, that's what's going to get you approved for these loans, credit cards, and lines of credit. You can add trade lines today and go get a loan. Because you got I told y'all about the credit builder, the credit unions is giving up to $25,000 in credit builder accounts that you can add all of them, and you'll get $25,000. Have up to 20. You have multiple primary trade lines, and you'll be building your payment history, and you'll build the debt on your credit report. So let's break it down to you. You somebody with $40,000 in debt. Because I know people with $5,000 in debt, $6,000 in debt, just like, man, that's too much debt. That's a lot of debt. I need to file bankruptcy. That's nothing. You need more debt. The more the better, that's what it is. The more debt that you have, the more money you'll be approved for. The more debt that you have on your credit report that you can show that you can make payments on, the more money you'll get approved for. On a regular profile or a CPN. On a regular credit profile. Not the other profile. So, let's say you got $40,000 in debt. You go to creditstrong.com and you get the $10,000 trade line. Then from creditstrong.com, you can go to another place called Magnum Credit, which has trade lines up to $30,000. So that's $40,000 right there. So you have $80,000 in good debt now because you're going to be making payments on those new trade lines. Then you go get the $25,000 in credit builder accounts from all the credit unions. So now you have $105,000 in debt with primary trade lines. You also need at least 2 credit cards on your credit report. So you're going to get you a secure credit card where you're utilizing your own money as collateral to get a credit card. So you might got $500. We'll get you a $500 secured credit card. Now it's gonna report to your credit report as a credit card, $500 credit card. However much that you have, you can have 10,000. Then you can go to Trade Line Supply and get you an AU account, an authorized user account, which is a credit card account that you can buy to report to your credit report. And they got accounts from $1,000 all the way to $100,000. So let's say you got $100,000 now, and you get you a $60,000 account. Now you got $165,000. Let's say you get you a $100,000 account. You got $200,000 in debt that you showing on your credit report that you can pay off each month on time. They're gonna love to see that. And a lot of people think you gotta have a 750, 800 credit score, 850 credit score to start getting major loans, credit cards. No, you don't need all that. You can literally have a 650 and start and get a $500,000 loan. As long as you go to the right bank, as long as you got the right documents, you're good. And this is the information I try to teach you guys so you can know where to go, know what type of documents to have. So when you do go in there, you already be prepared. And it won't take you so long to get approved for a loan. A lot of people be like, man, cut to the point. Everything that I'm saying is the point. Because this is what you need to know to grow. There's not going to be no 1, 2, 3, go get you a loan. I mean, it is. Add trade lines, make payments, build a relationship, do these things, and you can go get you a loan. Matter of fact, if somebody in McDonald's, people who working at McDonald's are in better positions than other people right now because they're getting checks, they're getting W-2s, they probably got a bank account, and they can stack that money. You got to think about it. Somebody working at McDonald's for a whole year, they're making $2,500 a month. They're going to have $30,000 at the end of the year. Let's say that 18-year-old working at with McDonald's and Wendy's, grinding for the whole year. She's going to have like $60,000. And then she do it until she 20, 21, she going to be having over $100,000. Now she legal, can go to clubs, do what she want, and she got money because she been grinding, stacking, and sacrificing for 2-3 years. And it go by fast. She might have played a little bit, got a little something here and there. That's cool. But she got money to invest, or he got money to invest now. Signed up for school, got financial aid, got school checks. This is what I call putting yourself in a position to make money. People crack jokes about people working fast food, but do the math. You making $2,000 a month. For 10 months, that's $20,000. And for 12 months, that's $25,000. And if you stand at your mama house, your girlfriend house, or you're 18, 19, and people they see you working, they letting you stack, you can stack all that. See, people don't be having the hustle mentality. People just want somebody to give them something. People just want somebody to say, here you go. No, it's never going to happen. When you can just put yourself in a position to get what everybody else got, if not more. So, Christian Community Credit Union, they're giving out $50,000 loans. Go to their website, mycccu.com. And then when you go there, go to the personal, then go to the personal loans. And then at the personal loans, they have financial options that can carry you through any stage of life, all right? Whether it's answering God's call to start a family, consolidating and paying off higher rates debts, extra cash for special events in your life, or need a home improvement project, they're there for you. So they are Christian based, all right? But anybody can sign up and get an account with them. And having a relationship with them is also great because it'll help you better with getting approved for that loan. So they have a program called My Advantage Personal Loan, a low-rate, fixed-term personal loan with 0 fees you can use to consolidate debt, make home repairs, pay medical bills, and more. So basically, whatever that you want to do. And APR start as low as 8.99. All right, so you get approved in 90 seconds. Loans from $10,000 to $50,000, terms up to 60 months. 0 origination fees, 0 prepayment fees. So that's a pretty good loan right there. $10,000 to $50,000. Make sure you follow them steps that I gave y'all before we talked about this bank, adding them trade lines, getting y'all payment history together, all that, because I promise you that will get you in the door and getting a loan, credit card, a line of credit. If you don't got a job, go get you a little job. It's all right. So you can make it easier for yourself to be in a better position. Don't worry about what your friends think. Don't worry about what everybody else thinks. A lot of people want to turn 18 to have fun, play around, be in the streets, drive around in Hellcats and Challengers and play with guns and drip. Man, bump all that. Go get you some money. Invest in something. Be blessed. Become a self-made millionaire, because you're going to grow older. You're going to get to a point in life where you're going to have to really take care of yourself, because nobody's going to want to keep letting you bum off them. No one's going to let you keep staying on their couch, or no girl's going to want you, or guys going to want you to keep staying with them. So you're going to want to get your own car. You're going to want to get your own crib. You're going to want to get your own stuff. And this is what it takes. All right, so finding you a hustle, getting a job, making it all work, investing and being blessed. All right, so make sure y'all taking that information. Make sure y'all go sign up for Christian Community Credit Union. Go open up an account, build a relationship, go get that bad credit personal loan up to $50,000, instant approval, no credit check. Shout out to all my real King Hustle fans, supporters, and subscribers out there, because without y'all, there would be no me. Y'all motivate me keep going. Y'all motivate me keep dropping this sauce. And y'all motivate me keep y'all entertained. So shout out to all of y'all out there. Anybody out there that's tired of being broke, because it ain't no joke, you ready to get your FaceTime one-on-one in the gyms? Tap in right now while the price is what it is. $350 cash app or Bitcoin payment. Y'all know my regular price is $1,000. So get y'all lessons while the price is what it is, because they will not be this price for too much longer, right? So FaceTime one-on-one in the gyms. I know what comes with the lesson. I'm going to teach you about credit, personal credit, business credit, help you clean your personal credit and build your personal credit, help you build your LLC EIN number, help you. I'm gonna show you how to make $500 to $3,000 a day all profit, if not more. I'm gonna show you how to make $15,000 to $100,000 a month all profit. I'm gonna show you how to invest. I'm gonna show you how to be blessed in the church just like this. I'm gonna show you about any method that you need to know so you can be successful. I'm gonna show you everything that's gonna help you grow. So make sure you all getting y'all FaceTime one-on-one limit gyms. $350 cash app or Bitcoin payment. Once the $350 is in your cash app or Bitcoin balance, send me the screenshot. Let me know your payment ready, and we'll go from there. All right, one-time call. If you need my assistance from there on out, each month will be the additional $250. All right, so make sure y'all getting y'all mentorships, and make sure y'all tapping in with these lessons. Also, make sure y'all go follow me on Telegram, New Age Credit Repair and the Millionaire Network. Make sure y'all still look for people for the production company. Still look for rappers, singers, models, producers, cameramen, and women for the production company. So we're going to do a lot of skits, blogs, movies, music videos, traveling, modeling, making money, and networking. All right, so you ready to have fun? You ready to work? You ready to grow? You ready to elevate and make some more? DM me on my IG. Let me see what you got. We're going to go from there, all right? Also, make sure you go follow my and subscribe and hit the notification bell on my blog channels. No Rags, Just Riches, King Hustle 2.0, Milwaukee made King Hustle. Make sure you follow my clothing brand, Bousculet Department. That's Hustle Department in French. I'm dropping new joggers at the top of March, apparel and kids apparel. Make sure you go follow my live channel, King Hustle Live. That's my live stream channel. I'm gonna go start going live on Twitch and YouTube. Make sure you follow my horror story channel, Goosebumps Horror Stories. Make sure you follow my music channel, King Hustle X1M. Just dropped a new mixtape, Hustle and Flow. Fire. Go listen to that. Go run the likes, comments, and views up on that. King Hustle X1M, my YouTube channel, my music YouTube channel. And just make sure y'all stay tapped in, man, because I'm dropping a lot of new stuff. I'm working with a lot of new people, and we're making a lot of new money. So make sure y'all ready to work. Get y'all lessons, $350 cash out with Bitcoin payment, because they will not last for too long, all right? I'm knocking out calls. Once you pay, your call will be that day or the next day. So don't miss out. 10 slots available each day. The seats are filling up fast. So $350 cash up for Bitcoin payment. Let's make this money. Let's get rich. Credit is the number one money game in the world, and we all can make it happen. It's your boy King Hustle. Y'all know how to get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next video. Oh yeah, make sure y'all go follow my reaction video channel too. King Hustle Crazy Reactions, going crazy on there. Fire. And y'all know how to get down in these videos. I'll see you at the next lesson or video. Peace.